What's up, everybody? Another van tour on this beautiful ceramic gray ProMaster. Follow me. Something I always forget to show, and we do this in every ProMaster layout, is this understep lighting. We have a knob on a dimmer switch. I call this a night light. I have two young boys. We leave this light on at night while we're sleeping. It's great, especially with young kids. We call this the Old Faithful layout. It's our most popular layout, and I just love what the client chose for their finishes. We have this ceramic gray on the outside, monochrome tones as we come in with our white cabinetry. This tile is called sea glass. Butcher block counter, overhead microwave. This is 700 watts. All the features you would expect in a microwave, just like at home. Overhead cabinets, great place to put pots and pans. 3-tiered pantry, great for dry goods, great for wine. Our sink has a drop-in cover, also has a strainer for vegetables. You want to get a nice big soapy bath going, you have your plug and you have your catch. Your sink is draining into gray water tank down below. Not everybody always wants an undermount gray tank. Why does this work well? It's simple, it's affordable. You're not going to freeze your gray water tank. It's winter in Arizona. Up north, it's freezing. This makes sure that you don't freeze your tank. Easy to use. We've used it years in our rental fleet, and we keep coming back to it. Behind this is actually our heater. So our Everspacher heater is hiding behind this tank and is venting out from underneath this step. Because in the ProMaster, you have the drop floor. We have the lighting under there. We don't have heated floors, but we might as well have them because the heat is starting at the bottom down below and it's rising as you run it. I found the toilet. Where's the toilet? I found it. I found it. Everyone's always asking, where's the toilet? It's a little bit different. You've been seeing a lot of Laveo dry flush toilets. This is our favorite composting toilet. It is called the Boho Origin. We are venting this compost toilet through the bottom of the van. And with compost, you're gonna have your ones and your twos separate. Everything available to you for flush, for drop, for churning. Here we go. You hear it churning. We give you the cocoa core, the substrate. We give you the charcoal filters. This is good for the environment. If you're health conscious, if you're environmentally focused and you want to save the planet, Boho Composting Toilet Origin. They also have a smaller Nomad. This is the Origin. Save the whales. The best table setup, in my opinion, on any of our vans is this Old Faithful setup. Table slides out from under the bed. Face-to-face dining. Easily stows away. NRX115S fridge freezer combo. Freezer up top. All the controls inside. You can pack a week's worth of food in this fridge. What's underneath everything else? Storage. Always storage wherever we can stick it. Big storage area under here. Same on the other side. Our heater is running off the fuel tank or the gas tank of this Ram ProMaster chassis. Very efficient. It expels to the outside. It's safe, uses very little power. I think like 100% of all of our clients now get this heat system. I'm surprised when someone doesn't want it. It just works. Let's go around back. One of 3 ways to charge the van is shore power. And here's our shore power plug. This is a 30 amp charger. We give you all the charging connections and the pigtails and everything to charge both at campsites and at home. We are balancing weights. We're balancing weight on the passenger side with the electrical system and on the driver's side with the water system. Outdoor shower, easily clips up. Turn on that water pump. You have your heat control, you have your pressure control, and everything comes off of this. Whoop. It works. All the blue boxes are our Victron components, including our Multi-Plus, which is our inverter charger. Our Orion, which is our 50 amp charger. While the van's running, we're sending 50 amps of power back to the batteries. Our Smart Solar, which is monitoring the charge off the solar on the roof. Did I mention we have 400 watts up there? 400 watts of solar on the roof and 400 amp hours of lithium power from Battleborn. This is our solution to turning a 2-person sleeper camper van into a 4-person or 3-person sleeper camper van. Follow me. It's not just for sleeping, just another lounge, right? Why not? You're out in the woods, you're out in the desert. The more lounge space you can get, the better. Not everybody always wants to be at a table working. What once was a table setup is now an L-shaped chase or lounge. You guys like that one? What do you think of this build? Do you love it? Do you hate it? You want to see more like it? Would you live in it? Would you buy it? Let us know in the comments. We'll do more van tours. Thank you, and we're excited to show you more.